Spark Capital Management Consulting Services Limited. Finding opportunities in times of transformation. In the ever-changing global economy, Spark Capital Management Services is becoming the top choice for modern investors. Spark Capital Management Consulting Services Limited leverages years of experience and deep market understanding to offer unprecedented growth opportunities to each investor through cutting-edge technology and professional training. We use the most advanced financial technology tools to help each trainee become a professional investor and optimize trading strategies through innovative AI decision-making systems, achieving higher investment returns. Global economic challenges and opportunities. Today's world faces a complex international political and economic environment. From global trade frictions to geopolitical conflicts, these changes introduce unprecedented complexity to investment decisions. However, these challenges also contain significant investment opportunities, whether it's the impact of the Russia-Ukraine conflict on the commodity markets or the approval of cryptocurrency ETFs by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. These global events present new investment opportunities for investors. Integration of technology and finance. The PPAP Wisdom AI System. Spark Capital understands that traditional investment strategies are no longer sufficient to handle the rapidly changing market environment. Therefore, we have launched the PPAP Wisdom AI System, a decision-making system powered by artificial intelligence. Our AI engineering team is dedicated to continually optimizing this system to enhance investment accuracy and profitability. The PPAP Wisdom AI system can analyze vast amounts of market data in real time, predict market trends, and provide scientific investment advice. After extensive practical testing and optimization, the system's prediction accuracy has reached an impressive 89.96%. Professor Richard Dennis's dream journey. The founder of Spark Capital Management Consulting Services Limited, Professor Richard Dennis, is a distinguished figure in the financial world. He graduated from DePaul University, where he demonstrated exceptional investment talent through stock trading competitions. The education from DePaul University provided him with a solid theoretical foundation, rigorous analytical skills, and forward-thinking strategic insight. Professor Dennis is not only pursuing personal success, but also committed to providing systematic support and guidance to investors. He established Spark Capital with the aim of helping investors achieve wealth growth through systematic financial training and education. Through years of effort, Professor Dennis and his team developed the PPAP Wisdom AI system, aiming to transform financial trading and enhance investment results. Professional training. Spark Capital is not just a financial education institution, but also a cradle for cultivating top trading experts. Our vision is to help every trainee achieve wealth growth and outstanding performance through comprehensive training and education. Whether you are a newcomer to the financial industry or an experienced investor, Spark Capital offers learning and development paths tailored to you. We collaborate with numerous renowned financial institutions to provide trainees with broad employment opportunities and career development platforms. Recently, Professor Richard Dennis was invited to the New York Stock Exchange to be interviewed by the renowned host Joya Das. In the interview, the professor discussed the importance of AI systems in modern financial trading, explored how the PPAP Wisdom AI system provides accurate market predictions, and emphasized the tremendous potential of using artificial intelligence to analyze global markets. Looking ahead, Spark Capital Management Consulting Services will continue to uphold its mission of pursuing excellence and cultivating top trading experts, driving innovation and development in financial education. Professor Richard Dennis and his team will strive to provide the highest quality training and services to help trainees achieve success in the financial markets and realize wealth growth. We sincerely invite more ambitious individuals to join us, face future challenges together, and achieve extraordinary lives. Join Spark Capital, embark on your financial technology journey, and witness the glorious moments of history.